Good afternoon, student. Today I am going to discuss about the collisions of two bodies in two dimensions. Okay. In this case, your one body is supposed to be at rest, other body is in motion. After collisions, the velocity of the bodies 1 and 2 visually two components. For body 1, it is v1 cos theta 1, and body 2, it is v2 cos theta 2. Similarly, for y component, for body 1, it is v1 sin theta 1, for body 2, it is v2 sin theta 2. Okay. So in this way, the velocity of two bodies resulted to different component along x axis and y axis by making an angle theta 1 and theta 2 with x axis. So it is of the body of mass m1 is your v1 cos theta 1, v2 v1 sin theta 1. Similarly, velocity of the body of mass m2 is your v2 cos theta 2 and v2 sin theta 2. v1 cos theta 1 along x axis and v1 sin theta 1 along y axis for body of mass m1. Similarly, v2 cos theta 2 along x axis and v2 sin theta 2 along y axis for body of mass m2. So this is the velocity component along x axis and y axis of two bodies after collisions. Okay. So after collisions, the total momentum of the body 1 and 2 after collision, the momentum of the body m1 is m1 v1 cos theta 1, m1 v1 sin theta. Similarly, for body of mass m2, it is m2 v2 cos theta 2, m2 v2 sin theta. Okay. So this is the momentum after collision of body 1 and 2. The two components, one is your component along x axis, another component along y axis. Okay. So according to law of conservation of momentum, according to law of conservation of momentum, total momentum before and after collision along x axis, momentum along x axis equal to your m1 u1 equal to m1 v1 cos theta 1 plus m2 v2 cos theta 2. Here it is your m1 v1 cos theta 1, m2 v2 cos theta 2. Okay. So for y axis, for total momentum before collision, after collision, before collision, for the y axis, that is before collision is the total momentum of the system is 0, but after collisions it is your m1 v1 sin theta 1 minus m2 v2 sin theta 2, because this component is below the axis. Okay. That is why it is your minus of v2 sin theta 2. So total momentum is minus of m2 v2 sin theta 2. Okay. So this is the equation of momentum. Similarly, we discuss about the kinetic energy before collision, after collision. It is all about your momentum along x-axis and along y-axis. In this way, calculate the total momentum of the system in 2 dimensions. Now for your kinetic energy. For kinetic energy, according to law of conservation of energy, total kinetic energy before collision equal to your half m1 a1 square plus 0. For second body it is 0. Now after collision, first body and second body, first body it is your m1 v1 square, it is m2 v2 square, or it is simply m1 1 square m1 v1 square plus m2 v2 square. So this is the energy equations of the two bodies when they collide in 2 dimensions. Okay.